In the last episode of Trading a Lawnmower to a Mustang, we hauled an old reel mower out of a dusty barn, fixed the pull cord, tuned up the carb, and brought it back to life. Then, I'll admit it, I bent the rules a little. We sold that lawnmower for $170 and used that cash to pick up a non-running riding mower. Now, the real challenge begins. I just picked up the next trade in the trade-up challenge, and I think this one's pretty good, unlike that reel mower. This is the next video in the sequence of the trade-up challenge. It took me a while because that reel lawnmower did not want to sell, but I ended up selling it for $170. The guy wanted it delivered a couple hours away, so we got that delivered. We ended up with $170, and we bought this not so beautiful, but beautiful mower for $170, and we're gonna see if we can't get this thing running. Under the hood, it's got an 18 horsepower opposed V Briggs and Stratton engine. Let's start by seeing if we can't rebead this tire with some starting fluid. Nope. Nope. Do not do this at home. Now, the only reason Past Me is doing all this stupid stuff is to save money, and it doesn't work out. We're gonna try beating this tire one last time with fire. But I kept this in because everyone likes to see fire, so here you go. I think this tire's toast. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fix this fuel tank by just pulling this line and feeding it back to where it's supposed to go. Not entirely sure why this was off, but I'm pretty sure it just goes up under here like that. Hopefully this doesn't leak. There we go. This fuel line seems to be a little crusty, so we'll see if it even holds fuel. Now, he said it was a newer battery, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw this thing on the battery charger just to get it charging before we give it a start. They did have the battery disconnected, so that gives me hope that maybe it was taken care of a little. But while I was waiting for that battery to charge, I decided to look through some of our keys. Found this key, and this is actually one of 20 universal lawnmower keys I bought, so let's see if this one will fit inside of that project we got. Alrighty, let's see. Oh, maybe. No, I don't think so. Wait. Well, and now there's safety switches even on these old ones. Oh, you know what might make sense? I was trying all that, but the battery's not even connected. Let's try this again and see if there's any fire like this time. Oh, my universal key's gonna work. Alright, well, I'll let that charge and we'll see what happens. I'll come back to this. I'll just let it charge. I'll disconnect the battery, so. Now, I wasn't able to save that back tire, so I went to Tractor Supply and picked this tire up for, I believe, $129. I'll put the price right down there in the video. But so we'll throw this on. But I also, to save some money, since I wasn't able to save that front tire, I have this used tire with a rim on it, but this rim is not quite the right size, so I'm gonna take this tire off, throw this tire on there, and then we'll have 2 good tires for nice and cheap. So let's get to doing it. All right, we're gonna try starting fluid on a tire that should actually hold air, so we'll go ahead and gotta spray it down in there. There we go. You see that? Beat it. Very good. And now to throw this tire on, first clean it off a little. First, spacer, then wheel, then spacer, then lastly, rest the old washer and cotter pin. Now, I gotta throw some gas in it, and I've had this battery on the charger for 2 days, and pretty much nothing. So what I'm gonna do is, I have a plan for this. I'm gonna take this battery out. I have this battery from the Rust Rocket that should hold a charge. Out with the old, oh my gosh, out with the old, and in with the new right there. Slots right in. And just like that, our new battery is all installed, or well, old battery but revived. And sit up here and see if absolutely nothing happens. Oh. Sounds okay. Let me throw some gas in it and we'll see if it will start. Threw some fresh gas in, let's see if it does anything. Let me throw the choke out. Make sure there's no leaks. I don't see any. It's a runner! It's running! Let's see if it will move. Oh! We're moving. Oh, this thing's picking up. What the heck? It's running real well. Now it's time to see if this thing will mow or if it's just a glorified yard toy. Now this thing mows really good. It may not look like it, but that's because this lawn hasn't been mowed in like 3 weeks. My John Deere mower is actually broken and it did quite a good job. A little bogging down, but it didn't do anything crazy, but it mowed pretty good. So let's see if we can't get this thing washed up. Now with this thing parked next to the Rust Rocket, see if you guys can see any of the similarities. Well, as you can see, this thing's going under a very big transformation. A very big transformation. Hint, hint. But they're almost the same. The paint's not going to come out the greatest, but I don't think I'm going to worry about that just because This is going to be a quick flip, and hopefully I can trade it for something better. But a good clean will do it some good. And I'll be back when I'm ready to list this thing after it's dry. I lied. I never ended up coming back, but I did end up listing that lawnmower for $550 on Facebook Marketplace, and a few weeks later, I got this video. Now, I may have cheated just a little. I went and traded that lawnmower, or traded it for $600 cash, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that right back into some more stuff to continue the trade challenge, so we'll see what we get. That is the end of this episode of the Trade Up Challenge. If you guys liked, make sure you like and subscribe, and comment any suggestions down below. Fix It Fools, out.